You guys can see how much better the lace melts against my skin now that it has been tinted. So let's just get into this wig. So like I said, it has the upgraded ear-to-ear 13x6 lace. As you guys saw, it has combs and adjustable straps on the inside. This also has massive parting space. I'm going to show you guys later on in this video just how deep the parting space goes, but this is a lace topped wig, so you can part anywhere on the lace. Because it has these V-shaped tabs and because it has the 13x6 lace, you are able to do more versatile styling, whether it's top braids or updos. You have different styling options. I'm not going to glue this wig down, but like I said, I'm going to tape the ear tabs down so that way it doesn't blow in the wind. And I'm also going to style me some edges on the side as well, some sideburns. You guys can see, because it's pre-plucked and pre-styled, it just melts right into the skin. It looks so natural and realistic. It's really, really pretty. I love the fact that they plucked the wig. Not only did they plucked it really good, and they bleached the knots so that it just melts into the skin. So everything's done. It's pre-styled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, everything. I'm doing sideburns because like it's my preference, especially with ear tabs. Because I told you guys I always have problems with ear tabs staying down on me. I'm just restyling mine because when I put mine on my head, I did not center the part with my nose like I should have. And I noticed that it was off skew. So right now I'm just reparting the wig. But like I said, you guys can see just how deep this part goes. I'm going to go even deeper right here. I'm just putting some water down to tame the new part that I put into it. Right here you can see just how far back this parting space goes. This color is so pretty. Like in the towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys the wig in different lighting. I'm mad because it's really cloudy today, so like I couldn't get the wig in like the sunlight, but I did get it under natural light, and then also did get it indoors as well. So I'm just using my hands to crimp the wig and get the loose curls back into the hair. And I'm going to put a little bit of powder on the parting space to make it blend even better and look even more natural. That melt is sensational. Sensational. You see the plucking? You ain't got to pluck it, guys. It comes plucked for you. I love that for me. And I love that for you too. I'm just combing through the hair with my fingers just to get the waves broken up a little bit.
Joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
So like I said, I try to get the wig in natural light, but it's not sunny today. It's really cloudy and gloomy today. So did the best that I could. This is what it looks like outdoors. And then I also wore this to the gym today, and this is what it looks like inside under like the fluorescent lighting and everything. So pretty, so pretty. But I will link this wig down below in the description bar for you guys. Like I said, it's from Arabella Hair. Any questions, of course, let me know. I will get back to you ASAP. Hope that you enjoy, and I will catch you bells in the next video. Definitely go check out Arabella's website, you guys. This is just one wig that they offer. They have a ton of different wig options, different colors, different styles, different textures. So go check out Arabella. I love you guys. I will catch you next time. Mwah. Bye, bells.